Hello student, subject chemistry, unit 12, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. In this video, we start with physical properties of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. First of all, physical state and boiling point of aldehyde and ketones. First, aldehyde. In this formaldehyde is gas at room temperature and it has irritating odor. Formaldehyde is first compound for aldehyde, and formaldehyde it has lower molecular weight. Because of lower molecular weight, formaldehyde is gas and it has irritating odor. Second, acetaldehyde is extremely volatile, colorless liquid. Acetaldehyde is liquid, but in room temperature it is extremely volatile. Higher aldehydes have pleasant odors. When molecular weight is increases in aldehyde, they have pleasant odor. Next, acetone is a liquid at room temperature and has pleasant odor. But most of higher ketones have blunt odors. Next, solubility of aldehyde and ketones. The oxygen atom of carbon double bond oxygen can involve in hydrogen bonding with water molecule. In this, carbon attach with oxygen, and this oxygen is also involving hydrogen bonding, and because of hydrogen and oxygen bonding, water molecule is prepared. As a result of this, the lower aldehyde and ketone are water soluble. For example, acetaldehyde, acetone, etc. As the molecular mass increases, the proportion of hydrocarbon increases, which cannot form hydrogen bond, and the water solubility decreases. In this, molecular mass increases means carbon and hydrogen, number of carbon and hydrogen bond also increases, and because of this proportion of hydrocarbon increases, hydrogen and carbon increases, which cannot form hydrogen bond, and because of increasing carbon and hydrogen number they cannot form hydrogen bond, and the water solubility decreases. Lower aldehyde and ketone soluble in water, but when proportion of hydrogen and carbon increases linearly, molecular mass also increases. In that point, water solubility of acetone and ketone decreases. In this, carbon attached with oxygen with double bond, and when oxygen bonded with hydrogen, at that point they soluble in water when molecular mass is lower. Next, physical state, boiling point and solubility of carboxylic acids. Lower aliphatic carboxylic acids up to 9 carbon atom are colorless liquid with irritating odor. Lower aliphatic carboxylic means straight chain compound acid with lower carbon atom up to 9 carbon atom. Up to 9 carbon atom, carboxylic acids are colorless liquid with irritating odor. The higher homologous are colorless, odorless, wax-like solids. Have low volatility. The higher homologous series means similar series are colorless, odorless, स्मेल नहीं आता, एंड वैक्स लाइक सॉलिड, जैसा हमारा वैक्स होता है वैसे सॉलिड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. एंड दीज एसिड आर हैव लो वोलेटिलिटी. नेक्स्ट, carboxylic acids have higher boiling point than those of alkane, ether, alcohol, aldehydes and ketone. Carboxylic acids have higher boiling point than those of alkane, ether, alcohol, aldehydes and ketone. Here in this third point, in place of carboxylic, one printing mistake, carbon. Here read as carboxylic acid. Have higher boiling point than those alkane, ether, alcohol, aldehydes and ketone. Then next, nature of intermolecular forces. Nature of intermolecular forces means in between two molecule. First, the carbonyl bond in between carbon and oxygen. In aldehyde and ketone, carbon and oxygen bond also called as carbonyl bond. The carbonyl bond, carbon double bond oxygen in aldehyde and ketone is polar covalent bond. Is polar covalent bond. Means in these positive and negative charges are involved. These compound contain dipole-dipole forces of attraction. This compound contain dipole-dipole forces of attraction. Dipole forces, positive, negative, attract each other. Next, the molecules orient in such a way as to have oppositely polarized atom facing each other. The molecule orient. Orient or orientation means circular movement. Circular movement of carbonyl bond or carbonyl atom. The molecule orient in such a way. These molecules move in circular direction in such a way as have oppositely polarized atom facing each other. In this, first carbon double bond oxygen. Carbon has negative charge and oxygen has positive charge. And next one, opposite charges. Carbon has positive charge and oxygen has negative charge, vice versa. And these oppositely charges two atoms facing each other because of orientation. This is dipole-dipole attraction in carbonyl compound. Dipole-dipole attraction in carbonyl compound means two oppositely charges atom, positive charge and negative charge, attract each other. Carbonyl group of carboxylic acid contain oxygen-hydrogen bond, which is responsible for formation of hydrogen bond. In carbonyl group of carboxylic acid contain oxygen-hydrogen bond. Contain oxygen hydrogen bond, which is responsible for formation of hydrogen bonding in carboxylic acid included oxygen and hydrogen bond, and these oxygen and hydrogen bond responsible for hydrogen bonding. Thus, carboxylic acid have the strongest intermolecular forces of attraction. Thus, carboxylic acid have strongest intermolecular forces of attraction than any aldehyde, ketone, ether, etc. Then next, polarity of carbonyl group. The polarity of carbonyl group originates from higher electronegativity of oxygen relative to carbon as well as resonance effect. The polarity of carbonyl group the polarity of carbonyl group originates from higher electro higher electronegativity means which has strongest electronegativity of oxygen relative to carbon as well as resonance effect. In this first, carbon attach with oxygen with double bond. Here electronegativity is increases from carbon to oxygen. Compared to carbon, oxygen has highest electronegativity. In this resonance, carbon also has electropositive and oxygen is electronegative. Means electronegativity is increases from carbon to oxygen. In this next, carbon attached with oxygen. Oxygen has total 4 point which is major, and next carbon attached with oxygen total 6 point which is minor. In this is lone pair of electron. This 4 dot on oxygen which is lone pair of electron, and for next oxygen total 6 lone pair of electron. Because of lone pair increases, electronegativity is also increases. This is polarity of carbonyl group. Then next, chemical properties of aldehyde and ketones. First, laboratory test for aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde are easily oxidized to carboxylic acid and therefore act as reducing agents towards mild oxidizing agent. Aldehyde are easily oxidized to carboxylic acid. Means we can prepare carboxylic acid from aldehyde by oxidizing, and therefore aldehyde act as a reducing agent. Aldehyde can be reduced to any other chemical or carboxylic acid. Aldehyde act as a reducing agent towards mild oxidizing agent. जो भी ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है उनके लिए अल्डिहाइड एक्ट करता है एज ए रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. कीटोन्स डू नॉट हैव हाइड्रोजन एटम. Ketones do not have hydrogen atom directly attached to carbonyl carbon. Carbonyl carbon aldehyde में भी है कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन, एंड कीटोन में भी है कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन. बट कीटोन कार्बोनिल एटम do not have hydrogen atom directly attached to carbonyl carbon. Hence, they are not oxidized by mild oxidizing agent. Because of hydrogen bond do not directly attach to carbonyl carbon in ketone, and because of that ketones are not oxidized by mild oxidizing agent. In this first test given by only aldehyde, first Schiff test. When alcoholic solution of alcoholic solution of aldehyde is treated with few drops of Schiff reagent, pink or red or magenta color appears. When alcoholic solution of aldehyde is treated with few drops of Schiff reagent, pink or red or magenta color appear. This confirms the presence of aldehyde group. Aldehyde group, functional group CHO. Pink, red or magenta color confirm presence of aldehyde group CHO group. The next, Tollens test or silver mirror test. When an aldehyde is boiled with Tollens reagent. When aldehyde is boiled with Tollens reagent, ammonical silver nitrate. When aldehyde boiled with Tollens reagent, it forms silver mirror or silver mirror is formed. The aldehyde is oxidized to carboxylate ion. The aldehyde is oxidized to carboxylate ion by Tollens reagent, and Ag plus ion is reduced to Ag, and Ag plus ion is reduced to Ag. In this reaction, first aldehyde RCHO plus Tollens reagent 2Ag in bracket NH3 twice plus 3OH minus. This is Tollens reagent ammonical silver nitrate. This aldehyde and Tollens boiled, and because of boiling aldehyde is reduced and form carboxylate ion RCOO minus plus 2Ag. Silver mirror is precipitate plus 4NH3 plus 2H2O. When aldehyde is boiled with Tollens reagent, silver mirror is formed. In this, aldehyde is oxidized to carboxylate ion by Tollens reagent, and Ag plus ion is reduced or settled down. In this test, we can confirm aldehyde or aldehyde functional group. Next, failing test. In this failing test, when a mixture of an aldehyde and failing solution is boiled in hot water, a red precipitate of cuprous oxide is formed. A red precipitate of cuprous oxide is formed. An aldehyde is oxidized. An aldehyde is oxidized to carboxylate ion by failing solution, and cuprous oxide Cu2 plus ion is reduced to Cu plus ion, and Cu2 plus copper ion is reduced to cuprous Cu2 plus iron. In this reduction is occur. Aldehyde RCHO plus failing solution 2Cu2 plus 5OH minus failing solution. In this solution, aldehyde and failing solution, boil in boiled water. Carboxylate ion is formed RCOO minus plus Cu2O red precipitate is settled down plus 3H2O3 water molecule is formed. In this reduction is occur from Cu2 plus to Cu plus ion. Thank you.